Hello guys, welcome back to Droid Crunch, and in this video I'm going to talk about a course that can completely change your life. Like completely change your life. So I have watched this course myself and I have watched like most of the videos of this course, like 100% of videos, but few of them I skipped because I already knew most of the things in the subject, like Google ads, Facebook ads, like they are completely all the things from the scratch. So if you are someone who has already some knowledge about ads, digital marketing, and similar LED stuff, then this course can guide you through making your startup, making a business, and how to make it run, how to get clients, and how to do everything. But before we get into that, let me show you some details of this course. And this is the website, it's modernmillionaires.com. So it can make you millionaire, but all depends on you, like how you take it, because already there are a lot of stuff out there, but it's you that has to take action. But to take action we need mentors, and this course offers you mentors, their community with whom you can connect, you can get knowledge, you can interact. So everything's there in this course, and I will talk each bit of this. So this is the website, and it says cause having a boss sucked. Yeah, everyone, even if you are in an agency, you might have pressure, because if you have worked in an agency, you know that there's pressure from your boss, because boss is having pressure from the clients, and boss wants to convey that pressure to you because he wants to live a free life. Boss doesn't want to work, and you are the end user who has to work, and you have to work as well as take all the pressure, right? So boss is happy, client is happy, but you are not actually happy. You are getting money, but you are not happy inside. So that's why this course is designed the way you can be your own boss, right? And anyone can join this course and can get something very beneficial, right? And they say we are able to get high paying clients while working from more than 20 different countries. And there are some student testimonials. They got like his first client within 3 weeks. Yeah, he's very happy. And Krista make like $6,500 a month. Yeah, and she is a part-time and mom to three. And this is Taylor, who is bringing in like $27 a month and working part-time to making 18,000 a month. And all are these videos, you can check them out. These are all real, I have watched them. If you wanna go into it, you can just check out the website. And these are very genuine reviews, and they all are having proofs that how they got it. So before I dive deep into this, let me show you the course itself and how valuable it is. So this is the course that I have completed it already, but let me show you how you can get most out of it. I have recently completed it. I have not used or implemented most of the things, but I wanted to share that with you because I thought that it's very interesting. Because you can actually I'm make, you already know that I make videos on WordPress, I make videos on digital marketing, I make tutorial videos, and you already might know most of things as my tutorials are regarding advanced WordPress tutorials. So you are already someone who is running an agency, you might be someone who is working for an agency. So I thought that this course could be something very valuable to you. If you are working for an agency, you can set up your own agency, you can bring in clients, more clients, pitch them, get like more prospective emails, and how to send them cold emails, the FB ads sessions. And it will show you all the tools that I use to make everything automated, functional. And there's like LinkedIn, Google ads, Facebook, like 23 lessons in Facebook, which is about ads introduction, general intro, account creation, Facebook business manager overview, account creation, like account
Welcome back to
creation
the training,
you
everyone.
know
This is
is divided into multiple lesson itself. And from campaign creation, from ads manager, Facebook business, everything's right there. And there's one more thing that you can actually see. This is lead generation. Yeah, LinkedIn and Linkdofy is different thing. You can get more clients from LinkedIn by watching these videos. It's like full tutorial on how to get clients or how to use LinkedIn to its full potential, because LinkedIn is a uh, not a social media. It's a social media, but not uh, for like users who want to connect socially, like with friends and family. This is like more of a professional network. So with LinkedIn you can get most out of your business. Like you can grow it, you can have more clients, you can scale your business out of LinkedIn itself. So this is included in the course, and you can utilize this one to have better client ratio. And this Google Ads, you might already know it, but this is totally insane because each and everything explained in a very well manner, and it is designed in a way that all are in sequence. So if you just watch it sequentially, you will get to know every and each thing in detail. And some things I after watching, I thought that I would have known, but few things were very new to me. So I got excited and watched the entire videos because they are very, very exciting and full of knowledge. And if you watch them, you will definitely be the master of your own. You will be running ads, you will be, you know, running ads for your business, for your clients, and this is something insane. And then this is driving traffic from Facebook. You can also included Instagram because parts of Facebook. Yeah. And then there's lead generation part as well, which is included right there, right? That's Leadific. And you might not know about it, but if you are in creating funnels, you want to get more data to connect with, then these kind of softwares can be gold mine for you. And they can actually bring in more clients, more business, more forms, more campaigns you can run, right? And this is all possible with these lead generation things. You can also do it in WordPress, you can do it in anything. But if you do the right tools, if you have the right tools, you have right strategy, you are doing it right way, you have results, you have you know everything maintained well uh, order, then there is something you can get the best use of. And then I got to know this. I watched the complete video of this one as well. And this will tell you what is the hierarchy of your business can be. They showed what is their hierarchy, how they have managed their business. uh, the course designed by Charles and Abdul. They are very kind, they are very, very genuine persons, they are very knowledgeable. And uh, and he showed us how their hierarchy is. And there is a project manager, and then there are people under them. They have managed in a very well manner. There are some content writers, then there are some users who take care of the client. There's the acquisition side that they have to handle. Then they have like project manager for their different projects, who has to handle all the people inside of that project. And this is very insightful, right? And then there's a team communication, and they showed us how to use Slack and why to use Slack, and how it is more beneficial over other social media to manage the team. Then there's Asana team collaboration tool, that is. And there are many, like we use ClickUp, you can use Asana. There's also Jira. There are many out there, these tools. But if you use the right one, you know how to use it, you can get more productivity in your business. And everything set up in a very well manner. And believe me, this course is something that can make you rich. If not rich in less time, it can actually uh, actually instill a lot of information in your mind, that how you can start, how you can do, what is the right way to do it. And they are, seven figure agency, they have both of them. And it is not like they are, showing you dream to, become rich, or to uh, become something that they have not achieved. They already have achieved that, and their clients have achieved that. That's the uh, original screenshot that they have on their website. And if you see their Facebook group, it's having like 6k members already. And if you see the discussion tab, you will find that everything is like in functional, like they have daily posts on uh, their discussion tabs on their Facebook group. And it's insane. You can see that there are like 20, 50, 54 of comments out there. So you can also raise questions if you have any. And it's not for only raising questions, it's not a support, it's like a collaboration. And all the entrepreneurs, all those who have, you know something to share, have joined this group. And this is very interesting. And after watching this course, I believe you will be able to do something very, very good in your life, because this can give you a better way to, utilize your knowledge. The first the first lesson starts with the foundation. Then as you move on, gradually you start learning few different things. You set up, your own channel, you set up your own, marketing funnel, you start creating ads, you get to know how to deal with the clients, how to get clients, and how to manage clients, and how to manage agency, how to, you know uh, everything is all right there. And if you already know some of these things, then it's better for you. But if you don't know it, this course will teach you. If you think that the something is already known to you, you can skip that, you can just move on to other lesson or chapter. But believe me, most of the things would be new for you, because everything is in depth in this course. And yeah, this is something you should check. And everything is like transparent, and nothing is hidden. All are in, very well maintained. You can check out their website, you can check out their channel. And I would recommend you to first, go through all the testimonials, because all are real and all tell a story. And you can also write your own story after watching this amazing course. So this was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comments. Till then, bye bye, and have a wonderful day. Stay healthy, stay blessed.